Nyo, atat sa kilikili niya sa ilalim.
Dali. Next. Kay Julia na lang. Kay Julia.
Who's next?
Oh, Julian. Follow.
Who's next? Here we go.
Ako na lang muna. Oh, andito na. Ako. Ari na, oh. Ako. Kilikili na, oh. Julia. Oh, I'm glad that the rain stopped. It's a fun day. I love this. I love this one. This is fun.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, ready? Okay na to sila?
Balan sa gindi karon.
Abigail. Oh, this is fun. See? I'm holding hold my face.
Aha.
Okay. Oh.
Kasi magkayag na lang kayong color dito.
Hold my face, Julia, please. Then I'm holding your mom or I don't know.
Stay there. Down your head, down your head.
Huh? Down.
lang, para
Head
hindi ka
down,
mabalan.
down. Head down. Oh, here comes the drone. Yay.
That's your drone. How your drone?
Okay, this is fun. Yay! Hello! Yay! Okay, Julia, are you okay? Okay. Yay!
Akala ko may kayak, wala.
Sila sir, ito sa likod niyo.
Sa likod.
Okay, Joel.
May pinche sila.
Very nice pala. Yeah. Very nice guy, no? Oo. No? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Relax your feet, Joel. There, I'm holding it tight. Yeah. I'm holding your feet.
May rope ha, may rope dito ha. I-push nyo lang pababa. Kaya pa rope.
Oh, there's a rope. Watch out.
Push down, push down.
Push down.
You push the rope.
Push down. Rope. Push down. Push down the rope. Huh? Wait. Yeah, push down the rope. Yeah. Push down. Yeah, there's a rope. There's a rope. Oh, ma'am. Mababaw dyan. May mga ano dyan. May mga...
Okay, we're passing through the tunnel.
Oh, okay. Oh, tunnel. Oh my God. Nice photo. Take a photo with it. Here comes the camera, Angel. This is fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, head down. We're gonna go to the tunnel. O paano ikaw yung Angel? Maghapa ka mo? Okay. Paano ka hapa ka mo? Si Angel, maganda na Oh my God, this is fun. Uy. Oh. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my God. Yay. Oh my God.
Doon nyo na sir. Ikot kayo doon.
Hi. Hello.
Pero ingatan mo phone mo, so delikado yata sir. Phone, baka magmahulog yung diretso, mas mabuti lang pag mo sa may paa mo. Diyan. Mas safety pa. Kasi pag lumusot yan, diretso yan sa gilid.
Your uncle take a video with it.
Ito lang, maraming pambili.
Waterproof.
So, ako po, waterproof, 150 to. 150 feet?
What happened?
Hindi natin maabot.
And they got float.
Hindi nag-upload ang phone mo. Okay po.
Oh, there's a
Ma'am, picture.
picture. Picture.
Look at the camera.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, hindi, ala lang, gali, hinay lang. Yay! Picture here.
Okay.
That is Angel?
Yes, Angel.
Break the line, break the line.
Picture
Okay na?
here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take picture.
Oh, no,
guys.
sir. No, don't break the
Hold
line.
on to you.
That's why.
We're going to the shallow part.
Yeah.
We're going to shallow.
Picture.
We go there.
Mhm.
Picture, guys. This is nice. Oh my God. What's so cold in here? Nah, it's nice. Yeah. So, ano ito? Fresh water?
80% salt water.
80% salt water.
You feel cold in the surface?
Yeah.
That is fresh water.
Oh, but
Mm.
cold is fresh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kaunti pa lang, ma'am. Maliit pa lang siya. Mga 3 months pa bago lumaki.
Yay! Picture.
Galing ako. Hindi ko kapatid sa inyo.
Oh, cold and warm. Okay, picture again in
Wow, cold and warm nga eh.
In that picture again.
So they are Angel and Inday Julia.
Bago pa na pag-swimming, sir. Last stop, ah.
Oo nga eh. Nervyos ako.
Wala na, sir. Wala na.
Picture. This is amazing. Oh my God. And relaxing.
Doon mababaw na.
Guys, sorry, where's your life jacket? Life jacket. Who said? Your tour guide?
Ah.
She's not a tour guide. What? She's not a tour guide. Because you don't know the rules.
Follow the rules.
Kita mo?
No, sir. You're
Yan,
not allowed
yan,
to swim without life jacket here.
yan yung tour guide namin sa Boracay eh. Kaya pinabayaan nila yung 3 Arabo. Ayaw makinig eh. Ngayon, nagpinabayaan, sunod naman ng sunod sa likod namin. Ayaw din maiwanan.
Warm and cold. Oh my God, this is amazing.
Tour guide, kapag
Kaya,
Oo. Ayaw. Nagbibigay ng instruction ang mga tour guide.
yung iba,
Oo lang daw, oo lang ng oo. Pagkatapos hindi naman sinusunod.
hindi po mali ang tour guide niya.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ng tour guide niya, okay lang daw walang life jacket.
Ah.
ay, hindi na pa. Wala pa. Just enjoy.
Mas mahirap pa ito mag-briefing dito na.
Kaya ito siguro gusto ng China kung itong mga
Oo, kunin nila.
Palawan.
Oo. Hindi, Spratly muna.
Oo,
Pagkatapos Palawan.
Awan.
Oo,
Ay.
kunin ito. Tagal pa? Ano na shortcut? Sandali lang, Abigail, it's okay, just relax. Just relax.
Ayun, mababaw na siguro to. Hindi ako makakita.
Sinunod yung boy.
Ha?
Walang life jacket.
Wala lang shortcut kung balik.
Balik din tayo doon, ma'am.
The same.
Sakit na ulo niya.
Sakit daw yung ulo.
Yeah, I think so.
Ayan ang bata niya. No? Kasama ba yan Sa tour? Ito hindi ba? Kaya sa tour na. Ito na ba po? Doon sa mababa doon. Magbaba daw siya sa mababaw.
Pahinga muna tayo. Masakit yung ulo ko eh.
Ya, alguém me pegou. Pegaram aqui embaixo.
Alright. This is the shallow part.
Sinong guys yung walang life jacket? Boy? Sinong guys yung walang life jacket? Ba't napagalitan na ano ngayon? Napagalitan kayo na ano? Sabihan ko eh. Sabihan tour guide niya, isa walang life jacket.
Pwede daw. Yung tour guide niya nag-issue sa buhay niya.
Ay kung di yung tour guide mo.
Pagod ka dahil. Ang boat na. Kana ba?
Wala pa man, babalik tayo ng dundi ang boat natin.
Balik tayo doon?
So this is the second lake. Lagoon. Alright. That was the first lagoon. Second. Wala pang pangalan?
Twin Lagoon.
Oo nga, ito. Wala pang pangalan?
Second Lagoon lang siya.
Second lagoon. Sino? Pwede ka mo siguro na tatlo? Dren. Dren si Dren. Dek. Pwede tatlo? Dito?
Si ano sasakay?
Sino? Si.
Sa ulo niya.
Sino? Dala. Wait. Wait. Ay. Okay. Oh. All right. Sige lang, that's okay.
Okay, we're
Okay.
going in pala yan eh.
Hold on. Wala pa.
Dito kami magkakayak, palabas.
Then, dito sila o balik lang? Baba?
Umikot doon? Gusto niyo umikot doon, ma'am?
Kami okay na kami.
Yeah, ikot kayo doon.
Badalom siguro. I think it's much better here, may heavy traffic. Tumaob kayo doon, wala sangkwan. I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay lang ang mga tao.
Okay.
Guys, balik na tayo.
Balik tayo?
Balik na tayo.
We were missing one.
Okay. Balik na tayo. Okay, may mga kasama pa
Assist ko pa po yung isa sa
Isa pang grupo.
Mm.
Grupo, ma'am. Ayan siya. Wait.
Amo na to sila, oh?
Oo.
Where are they going? It's supposed to be in the left. Oh. Ay, finally. Hindi synchronize sila pagbugsay. Pagpunta man niyo, hanggang green niyo. Wala. I don't know, may name tag siguro si. Then, para sabay siguro.
Para kasabay tayo. Umulan.
Muna nabagtayan ko eh. Now, we are now entering the first lagoon. And this is the tunnel. Remember, dahil dito sa kuan nagsuot man ta kayak tunnel?
Oo.
Yes.
Like a hole siya, may hole.
Oo.
And then nakmanan kita. Dara.
Mm.
Yes.
Sa El Nido.
El Nido. Yay.
Yeah, we are now going under the tunnel that connects the first and to the second lagoon. Beautiful. Yeah. It's worth coming down here. Now we are now on the first lagoon.
We're going to our boat. It's nice and warm here. Nice and warm. Amazing. Now there's another second tunnel between the boat now. This time. Here comes the tunnel. First
All right. I can see our boat now. Rope, rope, rope.
Oh, rope,
Push
rope.
the rope down.
Down.
And I can see Lester now.
So, I stuck.
Oo, nakot.
Na-trap.
Na-trap? Ako?
Oo.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Hold the, okay, down now. Piyay! Take picture.
Picture, picture.
Piyay.
Video.
Yan na sila, oh.
Angel? Ayan na ah. Same.
근데 처음에 들어올 때 이거 잡고 내려오래. 잡았더니 고개를 겁나게 빡세진 것도 똑같은데. 나 그냥 내려가지.
Yay! Yeah, right here. Yay!
Look at John.
He's tempted to
Yeah.
take a video.
He missed you. I know.
Kagising lang. Yay! Yay! No, not yet. We have to go.
No, not yet, not yet.
Yay!
He will tell us when to unchain.
It's good.
Oh, let go.
All right.
She wants to let go. Oh, let go na tiyoy.
Oh, let's go na, let's go.
Ikaw, ya.
Oh, let's go na.
Let go.
Wala pa daw eh. All right.
Okay.
Right here. Oh,
Oh my God. That was... Oh,
Dali lang. Eh, basi mabuyan ko ang pani. Are you okay?
You're right.
Okay, Julia.
Nice thing.
We have
Oh, may kasama pa pala tayong dalawa eh.
Oh,
Akala ko tayo lang mga...
thank you. That was fun. It's really fun.
Mag-hindi po kayo?
Ako sobra. Pero natakot ako dun.
Iwan na po lang po. Mag-register naman.
Oh.
Mag-review lang siya.
Tapos sabihin ko talaga sa